welcome to this new video. So in this video we will see how to create a Tumblr account within 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's a very simple. So before starting that, I would like to show you something, that Tumblr is one of the most trending site that takes the organic traffic to your website or to your any kind of social media or anywhere. So Tumblr is a very trustable site, and the traffic comes from here is very much authentic, because you'll see that here the posts are very much organic posts, and there are usually so much traffics and so much interactions in this site. So to create a Tumblr account, it is mandatory for the business owners, because they need the traffics and other stuffs, and Tumblr is one of the trustable site to provide you all of these things. So I will not longer my speech. Now we will go to the work. So how to create a Tumblr account in 2 or 3 minutes. So what we will do, we will just go to tumblr.com. okay, so you can write that on your search bar. You will find the website, then you will go to tumblr.com, and this kind of interface will be shown. So what we will do, see there is a pop-up in front of us. Here is sign up option. So whenever you will reload this, or you will go to this site, a pop-up will automatically be sent in front of you, and we'll see that. Okay, so here is written that welcome home. First things first, let's see if you Twitter handle or whatever. So whatever we have to give here, Twitter handle. Okay, so we can register this Tumblr account by a various process, but I will suggest you it's a great process, like you will give your Twitter handle or anything else, but I will suggest another option. We will go to the sign up option. Okay, so how we will go to the sign up option? See, here you will see the login option. Okay, so this login option will be visible here. So whenever you will click this, you will see the login option. Whenever you will click this sign up option, you will see the sign up option. Okay, so here is a conflict. I'm showing you. Okay, first go to the tumblr.com, then go to the login. Okay, sign up, whatever. I will not sign up with the Twitter handle. I will sign up another way. Just see that. Okay, you'll then click to the login option, and now login option has appeared here. Now I will click the sign up option. Now sign up option has been appeared here. So here I need to enter my email address. Okay, I'm just copying and then enter that here. A password. Okay, here is a strong password is suggesting here. So okay, then just click sign up. Whatever your birth date, you need to enter that here. Then next, the block name, which block name you want to show your customers or others. So you need to give that. So for my business, I think that this username will work most. Then I put this here. Okay, all right, everything is okay, and the account is ready. Okay, here some things will be appeared in front of you, like what are you into, which kind of trending you would like to follow. Anything you can follow here, but it is mandatory to follow at least 5. Okay, so I follow everything, and then I can unfollow everything. Okay, so whatever you have the interest, you can follow that. Okay, so then you will click to the next. Okay, it is reloading, just keep quiet. Okay, so find your people, if you knew some people's before entering these sites, that you know that they have some accounts, then you can find them here. And here also it is mandatory to follow 3 persons. Okay, so 3 people, so I follow 3 people here. Then I'll find the next option. Yes, so everything is all right, the account is ready. Okay, it is very much simple, and it is a task of 2 minutes or 3 minutes highest. Okay, so you will see this kind of interface. Okay, so after that we will enter to the here in this icon. Whenever you will click in this icon, you will see that this option, blocks, and under that you will see the username of your account. Okay, then you will click here. So after that you will click this icon. Okay, this icon. Whenever you will click this icon, okay, see that I have clicked it at this icon. So here I will find this block settings option. Okay, you'll click the block settings option before, and I'm showing you that again. Then what you will do, you will click this block settings option. Then whatever you need to do here, edit appearance. Okay, so click the edit appearance, then enter your name, business name or your personal name, whatever you would like to keep here. AGSF. Okay, then a description is needed here. Okay, I have written the description here. Now I will put this here in the description box. Okay, the description is ready. A username is ready, description is ready, everything is ready. Okay, so here the account is ready, and here you will you can put a profile picture here, and after that show avatar. I have just showing my avatar here, or I can choose a photo, and after choosing a photo I can upload a picture in the profile picture here. And after that you will see that there is a cover photo option. Okay, so this is the cover photo option, and here I can choose a photo and give the cover photo here. And after that I will click the save, and the account will be all right. Okay, to see that it has been saved. Here you will see that the description option, and here is my customized link. Okay, so when anyone will need to find my account, then he need to open this link. Okay, so like you need to share this account with anyone, then you will just share this link. Okay, see this is my account. Okay, so it is a matter of 2 or 3 minutes. So in this video we have learned that how to create a Tumblr account. In the next video we'll see that how to post in the Tumblr account. Okay, so until that, keep safe, keep oil. I will show that in the next video. Okay, thank you so much.